Hello Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we are having a look as to what's in store for you, what are the messages for you. And as these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the messages for you Sagittarians. So we have the Nine of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Ten of Wands, the Nine of Swords, the Moon, the Devil, Eight of Swords, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Six of Pentacles. So Sagittarians, you've been sitting in a very good position, okay? You were very happy, everything, I'm saying in the past, because things started off very beautifully. There was a new beginning, which really made you feel good, really made you feel emotionally content. Everything was fine. You had everything sort of, okay, you were in a very good place and you really felt as if the burden is over. You felt unburdened, things are fine, and finally you felt as if life has given you something good, something beautiful, and you felt that breathing space. Okay, now I'm unburdened, I feel uplifted, I'm fine. But then there is something which has happened over here with the Nine of Swords, the Moon, and the Devil. There is something which has happened over here which is again causing a lot of anxiety. Things were very beautiful in the past, you really felt good, everything was fine. But then over here, what I feel, there is something here which needs to be corrected, but you really don't know what it is. It's really bothering you big time. You're not able to sleep, lot of overthinking, lot of anxiety is there. Okay, you really don't know what's going on, things are not very clear, you really don't know how to solve the situation, and it is really getting on your nerves. It can be some sort of an addiction, some sort of a temptation, or something which, some sort of a pattern. Okay, there is something here which has happened which is really bothering you. It's really affecting your health, it is really affecting your life. Maybe it is a cycle which keeps on repeating again and again in your life, but you really don't know how to come out of it. It's something like that. Okay, it is not letting you move forward. We have the Eight of Swords, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Six of Pentacles. You want to restore balance in your life. You are taking a break. You are trying to think as to what should be done. You are trying to heal yourself. But it is really tough on your part to leave the things behind and move on. There is a lot of fear in coming out of this energy, okay? And I would definitely say it's not something easy to deal with. Whatever it is, whatever you're dealing with Sagittarians, it is something really big. It is something really big. It's not easy for you to let go of it. It's not easy for you to come out of it. But yes, you are trying anyway. You are trying anyway. But this is something here which is not healthy for you. It really needs to be addressed. It's really taxing you. Perhaps it is, things are not very clear. You don't have the clearer picture of the things, and that is why you're not able to correct it. Or it is just, it can be a third party for some of you. But for others, it's really, again and again I'm getting the same energy. It's not very good for your health. Whatever it is really bothering you, and it is something, it's not easy for you to come out of the situation. It's really big, it's really hard, it's really tough. But then yes, you are trying to work on it. It can be some patterns, some addiction, some repetition, some cycles which keep on happening the same way again and again till maybe you need to learn some lesson over here to correct it. With the Ace of Clubs over here, it is the strength. So definitely it's not easy. As I said, it is a tough situation in life. It's not easy for you to deal with it. Okay, it's a tough time perhaps. Three of Thought. Loving angels surround you to heal and comfort you. The sadness you feel will fade away in time, and then you will be able to see clearly how important this situation has been for your spiritual growth. Take the time you need to forgive yourself and others so that you can embrace the future with joy. So yes, you are trying to balance it. Maybe You will be able to do it, but somehow what I want to say is it's something here needs to be really addressed big time. So Sagittarians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.